How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to put together an exercise pedal little thingy where I can sit in a chair and just pedal like I'm riding a bike. Instead of just sitting there, at least I can be moving. Okay, so come with me and see how I put this thing together. Okay, I've got all the parts. Let me crank this down. And I can't get on the floor because I won't be able to get back up. So this is the thing. This is how much was already assembled. See that? I got to put the pedals on and the stabilizer things. So I am reading the little instruction booklet. This is the name of it. HAUSSE mini trainer. I might have to get on the floor. Okay. So first of all, it tells me to make sure I'm on a rug, which I am. Turn it with the knob facing me. This is the knob. See that? And turn it upside down. And I'm going to hold it with my big old feet. Okay? I know I'm country. Okay. Take the smaller of the two stabilizers. Here's a small one, and here's the large one. Slide it. Slide the fasten onto the main body. Well, they show right stuff funny. Okay. It has a little groove here. See how that is? So I can just slide that on. Okay. There's a little packet of screws. It comes with the wrench and this little thing. I forgot what you call this little wrench. Put it on the floor. Okay. Tells me to take a washer and this screw. Put that on there. Put it in these pre-drilled holes. Do the same thing for the other side. And use this thing. What you call this little? Screw it in here. I still hold it with my feet. Like a monkey. So I can see what I'm doing. Okay, got that one secure. We'll do this one. What is this wrench thing called? Hex key. Okay. I knew that. I just couldn't remember. I bought this from Amazon and it said it was already assembled. So, as you can see, it's not. But I hope it's a good one. Okay, tightening it. Okay. Now, what? Repeat with the larger front stabilizer. Okay, I'm going to turn it around. Here's a larger one. See, you can see what I'm doing. Slide this on here. Use the washer and the screw. It looks kind of crooked. Using this hex key. Tightening this. Tighten this one. Okay, it's tight. Now what? Get those two done. Okay, the pedals. Which way do I turn it? Sideways. All right. The right pedal. We got two pedals. They're marked right and left. So which one is this? Right. Okay, it's marked with an R on this little thing right here. And the pedal comes with a screw already on it. I'll take this. Let me read. I'll mess something up. On the end of the pedal axle. Okay. Connect it to the right crank arm. Right pedal is fastened by rotating clockwise. Is this the right pedal? Styrofoam. Yes, the right one. Put it in here. Rotate it clockwise. Clockwise is toward the right. Right now. That's pretty easy. Once you get started, all bolts and nuts need to be securely tight before using the mini trainer. It don't say nothing about using that this here wrench. I guess that's what it's for. Oh, I see the end of it coming through right here on this side. Okay, that's good. And I do the same thing with the other pedal. This is the way it looks. It has that screw sticking out, so that's what I put in there. And turn it clockwise. Okay, I need to make a correction with the left side pedal. I have to turn this one counterclockwise. Let's turn it to the left. I wonder it wasn't going in good. There you go. Okay, I'll be back when this is all screwed in, and I'll see about this little thing. Okay, both the pedals are on, so this thing has a computer. right here. You can take it off. Let me see. It has little thumb grips on the side where you can just take this off. That's the way it looks. It came with the battery already in it. This is a, what's that, triple A battery. So I'm gonna slide it back in here. Okay, there you go. So it has the controls. It tells you how to set up the computer for the time, distance, the count, the total count, the calories burned, and you can scan through all the functions. So you can press this red button. I don't know if y'all can see that it came on. So I'll learn that later. Okay, I'm going to see if this works. Well, it also has the resistance knob. I ain't covered that yet. Okay, let me look at that. Don't say nothing about that knob. So I'm going to have to learn that on my own. This can also be put on the table so you can do an arm workout. Okay, I'm going to see. So you put your feet in here. You're supposed to have on shoes. That's what it said. I'll probably wear socks or barefoot because I'm usually barefoot. Well, I'm going to test the resistance. Okay. It has from lowest to highest resistance by the plus and minus signs on here and the dots. Let me, what is it on now? Oh, can y'all hear it cranking? Okay, I turned it to the lowest so it goes very easy. Where's the end of it? Let me see. Oh, yeah. It is some resistance. Okay. I'm supposed to get in a comfortable chair so I can do this. I'm sitting in this regular living room chair. Probably need to be in the dining room chair. Yeah, I need to be in a comfortable chair because it puts me at a bad angle. And I can't do that. But it's nice and sturdy. It's got good weight to it. But it has a handle so you can carry it and store it easily. So I got the idea to get one of these by watching 50 Fine Health, her channel. She has one, and she's talking about when you're watching TV, get to moving. Don't just sit there like a blob and do nothing. Get to moving. I don't walk around the block. The most walking I do is when I'm in Walmart, walking around the store. So when I'm sitting still, I can be moving something. I plan on buying me another hula hoop also, so I can hula hoop. So I put the thing together. It wasn't hard at all. Came with the wrench and this hex screwdriver thingy and an extra nut and bolt, whatever you call that, washer, and the manual. Came boxed up in the regular big brown Amazon box, and it was in its own box, very well protected with styrofoam and bubble wrap. So I'll put the link down below, but I want to actually use it before I call this a review. So this is really a setting up review. So I want to thank you for watching. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. Okay, you're actually supposed to use it with the knob facing you. I had it backwards. I'm sitting in my dining room chair. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see myself getting a good workout. Okay, y'all. This is my little sad demo. You see the counter going up. And I'm going to put on my Fitbit on my ankle and see if that registers. And it says stop here whenever I stop. Okay.